Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve the battery draining issue on your Dell Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. So despite it is quite hard to imagine using this laptop without a charging cable plugged in, there are some things that we can do to minimize the battery draining factors. So the first one is changing the power mode and enabling power saver, which we can do by right-clicking the battery icon on the taskbar, go into power and sleep settings, and then let's start with the energy saver. To turn it on, you can switch on the toggle, or if you don't want to do this manually, you can simply change never or the value you have in the second field to on battery. This will automatically enable energy saver whenever you unplug the charging cable. After that, go to power mode. So instead of that, you can go to power mode and change it to best power efficiency. Just make sure that you change the power mode next to on battery. Besides, we can also limit the amount of applications working in the background, so we can do this manually while we're working with the PC by right-clicking the taskbar, go into Task Manager, then you can simply sort the applications you have in your first tab by their power consumption. To do that, right-click one of the columns, it doesn't really matter which one, just any of them, and select power usage. Then sort the applications by power usage and turn off the ones that you want to disable by right-clicking and selecting End Task. Now, besides, one last manual thing that we can do is go to the startup apps, then sorting the startup apps by status. If you've been using this laptop for a while, most probably you will have a lot of different apps in here, but right now I only have the system ones, but we're looking at only half of them, the ones that have the enabled status. So what we want to do is right-click such applications and select disable if you don't want them to work in the background and consume our device's resources, and which will also make the launch of the laptop faster. So it's a win-win situation. Despite this laptop has a lot of RAM, in my case 32 RAM machine, we still can expand RAM by limiting our workflow. So basically, if you leave a bunch of tabs open in the background and you check how they affect your RAM memory by going back to Task Manager. Let's check memory. Well, you will see that a lot of memory is consumed by simply opening a bunch of opened tabs. Now, let's go to performance and take a closer look. Okay, so it doesn't seem that much, although it definitely adds up to the total memory consumption. But generally, if you want your laptop to run faster and drain the battery slower, make sure to close the tabs that you don't use on your laptop, as well as the applications that you don't use. And also, you can debloat your laptop by removing some system applications working in the background. However, I'm not gonna show you how to do this in this video, but it's pretty easy to use. You just have to find the software that automatically deletes and also lets you back up your system before you delete the system files that can be removed from your laptop to make it work faster. Because as we all know, Windows and Microsoft added a bunch of different stuff to Windows that not many people really use, and we can get rid of all of this stuff by debloating the system with just one app. And it will also reduce the power impact And so the last thing that I want to show you is Dell SupportAssist application. You may have it pre-installed on your laptop. If you don't, you can easily download it from Dell Support website. It's a one-click install application, so you just download the installation file, run it, and you get what I have right here. And here we can boost the device's performance, we can scan hardware, we can update software, which is incredibly useful for this purpose. Yeah, and it's all done in just one tap, so you can do everything at once, and it will take us roughly, how much, 10 minutes. So if we check for updates, scan hardware, boost performance, and optimize our networks, it will take 10 minutes, but we will get the important updates. We'll get info about our hardware. We'll also get the better performance at less battery consumption, and we'll also have optimized network. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.